I'm currently sitting in my Ford Fiesta ST about to go for a POV drive because now we have the Backbox out as well. This thing is loud. Now to talk you through a few of the things we've done on the car, we've got a Backbox and Res Delete from Miltech. We've also got an ITG induction kit from AET which gives a bit more of a blow off noise. Oh my god! We've also got a short shifter as well down here. We've got lower end springs as well, so it rides a bit more rough. But yeah, without further ado, let's turn this car on and go for a drive. I don't know how I forgot to mention, I also have a stage 1 map on this as well. So we're running 220 horsepower when you're in 4th gear and you're in overboost. Alright, let's do sport mode. And let me put the windows down actually, a little bit. You can still hear that intake. Woo! Up to 60, just like that. This thing is quick. On a back road like this, it is such a joy to drive. Honestly, the light, you can tell this is a light car. When you chuck it in, the front end really grips. Look at that, the way that just picks up there. It's so fun to drive. And we got a front splitter and side skirts as well. So we got downforce on this bad boy. All right, I mean, that's probably not making much of a difference, to be honest. But aesthetically from the outside, this thing looks sick. There is a few overrun burbles. Alright, here we go. I'm just going to let you guys listen to this and enjoy the noise of these little twisty roads. Brake in, shift into second, turn in. Many motorcycles into third, so we get that traction on the exit, and we're behind people. It's a very controllable car though, it's very nice to drive. The gearbox is so easy, it's so easy to rev match as well. I mean, the thing, it's such an easy thing to drive. Whoa, a little, oh my god, they hit the pops there. Oh my god, I hope the camera's picking that up. Chuck it in. Chuck it in. Oh, look, man. This thing is so good. It pulls and pulls and handles so well. I don't know if the lower end springs would have done anything, but it may help it corner a bit flatter now. But the thing handles amazing. Let's chuck it through these corners here. It just handles amazing. The front end just grips. Look at that. Just gripping, gripping, gripping. But yeah, I'm now going to just be quiet, let you guys enjoy the noise, enjoy the experience of being behind the wheel of a Fiesta ST, stage 1 with a Backbox and Res Delete. Them over on burballs at high PM are sick. Whoa, that's a big dip in the road. Alright everyone, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys have enjoyed. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe down below. It's always massively appreciated. And yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.